So today we are going to see our material warehouse and our working shop for folding. And now we are going to see how we accept the brass bar, and how we cut the brass bar, and how we transfer the brass bar, and how we stock the brass bar. Okay, now let's go. See, once the brass bar taken into our warehouse, we'll see a worker to paint the brass bar. Why we paint it? So follow me, I'll explain to you, okay? Okay, once we paint it, we'll use this machine to transfer the brass bar to our stock, okay? Okay, now we can see the brass bar has put on the stock holder, and while we paint it into red, please see from up here. Okay, see, we use different color to stand for different material. So how we confirm the material of the elements of the material? Actually, every batch come to our factory, we'll cut a piece in our warehouse and then test it in our lab. And if it passed the test, we'll take it in and paint it into red color or green color, any color. So if it failed, we just reject it to our supplier of material, let them to send us a new batch. If they failed 2 or 3 times, we'll just take them off from our supply list. Okay, so now when we preparing to use this brass bar to cut into pieces, we'll also use this machine to transfer this brass bar to there, to cut it into pieces, and then maybe preparing for folding. Okay. So okay, now it's automatic cutting into pieces, then flow directly to this, then flow directly to this plate. So for some normal products, we'll use this machine. For some big quantity products, we'll use this machine and to cut it into pieces and flow directly to the other side of the wall. Later I'll show you where it flows to. Okay. Okay. So now it flows directly to here. Why it flows here? Because this area actually it's our semi-product warehouse. It will temporarily stop here, so we won't have to move all the products here. We just put it here and put some stock here. Okay. Okay. Now after cutting into pieces, after our material warehouse, now we are going to our folding workshop. Actually, I'd like to introduce our folding workshop first. We have 3 kinds of folding machines. First is one automatic folding machine, and it's for some big quantity products, and a normal small size products folding machine, and normal larger size products folding machine. So okay, please follow me. I'll show you all the details. Okay, now we see this one is automatic folding machine. Please follow me. I'll show you all the details. Upper one is the temperature. It also shows here. You see This one is the side degree, and this one is the product actual degree. If it's under the staging degree, it will flow. See from here, it will flow to there, to check, and if it passes, it will flow next process. Now we already have 7 automatic folding machines right now. This one is our normal small size production folding machine. We need a worker here. There's normal small size folding machines in our workshop. And now let's see this one. This one is for our larger products, the normal larger products. Okay? Let's see how it works. Very similar to the small size product, folding machine. We will need 2 workers here. Here you can see after 100% folding, we also have 100% kneading actually in here. Actually, there are 3 100% kneading here. Its function is to reduce the internal force because of the high temperature and high pressure because of that hot forging, because it's around 300 to 400 or 500 degrees, so there must be some internal force. After that, we'll heat again to reduce the internal force. The function is to prevent when you use it, because of that internal force, it will break. So prevent, to reduce the high percentage of that happening. Actually, besides all these 3 kneading, we also have a large one like this weight. We also have a large one. Okay. Thank you.